your favorite kind of burger?
Burgoy? Buga?
Buga.
Buga? I like... I like... Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger.
Cheese! Of course. Is that a cheese patty with cheese on it?
Yes. Cheese patty with cheese, double cheese, sandwiched in cheese.
Nice! Did you see, like, during your debut, I was, like, putting your mouth on other people. Was that okay for you? I hope that didn't, like...
I did! I was kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. The blurred images kind of scared me, but it was funny. Thank you for
They actually don't even look that bad on some people. What's the word for like doing something like really strongly?
Really strongly?
Yakka! Hard yakka!
Hard yakka?
Yeah, Y-A-K-K-A. Eh?
Yakka. Wow, okay. Even that's a word I haven't heard.
Why the fuck? Oh, you're fake Australian! I knew it all along! You're fake! You're an imposter! You look so cute!
Perfect? Okay, we
if only you weren't a rat. Okay, I'm moving.
What's wrong with the rat? Okay.
You carry diseases, don't ya?
No, I keep myself very clean. Thank you very much.
Oh really? What do you wash yourself with?
I cleanse myself as well as everyone else. What does everyone else use? Body soap?
Oh well, I use gravy. Gravy.
Unfortunately, yes.
I think you should leave Australia and move to Australia.
Oh my.
Wink. I can't. I have an extra bed, or you can sleep in my bed. I'm not trying to flirt with you. I want you to be like my little sister, maybe. You're cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I am Callie's little sister. Doesn't that make me technically your little sister as well?
Excuse me, what? You're Callie's little sister?
Yeah.
What? When the fuck did that happen? When the fuck did that happen? When the fuck did that happen and why? I don't understand.
We have the same the same father.
Oh, that does not matter.
Yeah.
No.
So the number on the top is 2.
2つ目のボタン押してください。
Okay, now it says 2.
2つ目のボタンを押してください。
Okay, so press 2, 1. Okay, now it says 2.
2つ目のボタンを押してください。
2, 1. That's wrong! Okay, number 3 stop. Okay, it says 3.
But in which stage are we now? Stage 1?
No, restart.
Restart,
yeah,
okay.
Number 3.
3つ目のボタンを押してください。3つ。
Okay, now it says 4.
3つ目のボタンを押してください。
Okay, now it says 1.
Same label. さっき押したボタンと同じレーベル、同じ番号のボタンを押してください。わかる？わかる？
Yes! Okay! Okay, it was a 3. Okay. Now it says 3.
2つ目のラウンドで押したボタンと同じ場所にあるボタンを押してください。覚えてないやろお前。 その時の番号なんだった？出てきた番号。
3。
そしたら一番最初一番左一番
I don't know, but trust you. I think it was the third position, but...
じゃあもうそれ押してもらって。
Okay, thank God I didn't listen to you. Okay. Last one. Number 1.
一番最初に押したボタンと同じレーブル、同じの書いてあるのを押してください。一番最初何を押した？だよね。だよね。
Okay, I got a 25% chance. Yes! It was really good! Okay. I have 1 minute.
Okay. はい、もう一回、何
Okay, so third column and then second from the bottom row. And then the second circle is the first row, second column from the right.
もう一回
Okay, so third column and then second row from the bottom. And then second row from the bottom. これダメでしょ。
ごめんなさいにゃ。かわいい私を許してにゃ。I'm sorry にゃ。ごめんにゃ。
かわいいから許す。
I'm going to eat you, babe. I'm going to eat you. You're gonna regret forgiving me. With a big number at the top? Oh no, not this one. Oh no! This one's gonna fuck us up. Okay, so I have 4 numbers at the bottom. Yeah, right now it says 3 in the top. Oh fuck.
大きいの3。じゃあ、3つ目のボタンを押してください。
1. Yes. Remember the chat. Remember, we have to get this one. It says 1 now. Big one. 1.
じゃあ、番号の4押してください。
1 third position, 4 second position. 1 third position, 4 second position. 4! 1 third position, 4 second position. 4!
また4を押してください。
Okay. 1 third position, 4 second position. 3! 1 third position.
2回目の違う。2回のラウンドで同じポジションを押した。はい。Okay.
Free. 1 4.
そして今押したボタンの同じレーブルを押してください。
覚えてねー。I don't remember what the number is. What's the number is?
押したんじゃないの？
覚えてないそんなの。Was it 4? 2?
Let's do it.
If you help me defuse this bomb, I will let you work at KFP.
Okay!
Maybe that is a bomb. Green? Okay. No, wrong. That was wrong. Fuck. Okay. Congratulations, Bay. You did not get the job at KFP.
But I did! Thank you!
What? What?
Sorry, today is my 1 month, and I had to prank all the myth members that I could, and I may have read you the wrong instructions.
Did you not want the job at KFP?
No, because I'll get in anyway, because I'm a rat.
You little shit. You little shit.
I'm so bad.
I'm sending you to the usual room. You're welcome at the usual room. You'll see how fun it is there, you little stupid rat. Alright, I'll also go to my kitchen.
Okay.
Although I don't really want you in the kitchen anymore. Here, I'll put you in the fryer. There you go.
Nice and toasty.
Is it hot over there, my dear bae?
Not as hot as. No, flirt
Shouldn't
is not
have
in my
pranked me.
It's okay. I'm just chilling here in some oil. We good.
This actually should be down here. So, we smile.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. I'm glad we did a collab together, and I'm glad that I could be your first one.
Okay.
Did I treat you gently enough, though?
No, that was actually quite rough. What a rough night.
Wait. I wanna put you. I wanna eat you. Wait. I am cat.
No.
I am a cat after all. You're sure?
No. No. And then away. No.
Yummy. You're in my tummy now. Okay. Well, thank you, babe, for hanging out with me. You're gone now. No more kitchen for you. You're from now on banned from my kitchen, and we can still be friends though. But yeah, you're just not welcome in my kitchen anymore. You can order from KFP via Uber Eats or something. If you really need some food, you're welcome to give us money. But we can't let you into the restaurant anymore. But delivery is okay. We can deliver to your place. I don't know if we really deliver to fake Australia. We'll see about that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was putting coffee up your nose. Okay, I'll stop.
What the?